Hi guys, I'm Jessie Goforth and welcome back to my channel. It's only been a day, I think a day, and they have already, looks like they're dissolving. I don't know if you can, let me take this off so you can see it. Oh shoot. It's sticky. It was not, oh Lord. Okay, as you can see, they're already dissolving. This is the pear transparent one. And as you can see when you do this, it's so sticky. Do that, and it's just sticking to the bottom of my bowl. Let's see if I can. As you can see, now when I showed you guys the slime, it wasn't that sticky. Okay, so since it changed dramatically over one night, we won't be doing another follow-up because I thought it was going to like take longer or whatever, but it didn't. So this is the Dove. As you can see, the Dove really didn't do anything. It's a little bit hard, but as you can see, it stretches, it rips, but other than that, and the soap dissolving in it, it really has not changed at all, just overnight or throughout the day. But you can still probably use this one, but since it has soap in it, I wouldn't. And then this is a, yeah, I think it was like Yardley or whatever. When you, let me show you guys. When you poke it, it's very hard. See if we can get it out here. And what it reminds me of is when I done that other soap like this. It's doing the exact same thing. So that really sums it all up. Like I said, different soaps do different things to slime. It's not all going to do the exact same thing. So we're just going to add it in here. Oh, I'm dreading this one. I thought this one was going to be hard, but it's not. It's even hard to put it down in there. As you can see, if we waited a little bit longer with this one, it probably would have been so disgusting you probably couldn't handle it. So let's roll it up and put it in here. That Dove wood was easy. This one's not. Let me get some Dove. Dove. Oh, that's not Dove. There's Dove. Dove is what's making it stretch, guys. But Doves look really cool. I'm definitely throwing this away. This is disgusting. Makes me want to vomit. Green was not a good color. But that is it. If you got your guessing right that they was going to all do different things, leave this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below if you was right. But that's it for this video. Bye.